Alrighty, so in this video, we're going to take a look at the order completed and order update events being sent from BigCommerce over to Segment. Imagine what we're looking at here is the Segment platform with your integrations page. This is where we're going to install the integration. If we go over here and we click connect, it's going to pop up our modal for authentication. I do have them authenticated, but to show you what that looks like, I will enter the store hash for BigCommerce. We will go through the OAuth process, which is off screen, so you won't see it, but let me go ahead and log into BigCommerce. Alrighty, so we're good there. Now for Segment, we would just add our right key. And then finish installation. Now we are done with the installation process. Now we're going to move over to placing an order on BigCommerce. Here you'll see our item, test product, for $7.95. We'll see it's being billed to Brandon Looker with the address. Let's go ahead and place the order. All right, orders placed. Now we are going to go over to Segment and we're going to check for the tracking in the event to be sent over. Here we'll see that Brandon was the customer, the profile we want to look at. So if we go ahead and click there, we're going to go over to the events and then we're going to wait a second. Right now it is 2:57 p.m. Mountain Time, so let's give this a second to sync over. Alrighty, so here we've got the order completed and order updated events. These both triggered because the order was placed, and then it was also considered updated with the payment, so it went ahead and sent over both. You'll see here that we've got the product price of $7.95. We have the product name test product, and then all the pertinent information, and we can also look at the raw data. All right, next, we are going to update that order in BigCommerce. So if we go ahead and refresh this to get the new order, we have the new order here. We're going to go ahead and just update this order, and that should trigger the workflow. Now we're going to go over to Segment, and then we're going to check the profile again for that order updated event. So we'll give this a minute to sync as well. And then here we see the order updated event. That will conclude the BigCommerce order completed and order updated workflow syncs. So anytime a order is placed or updated in BigCommerce, it will sync the events and track the customer over to Segment.